Another test here, progress here. Yeah, it's true. The King's brother, Big Willie, fell through here too. It was like he hit the crushers, and that's another example of pride dropping when they're going up against the weight of their masters, and they're walking away and going up high, and then tested young. So I'm gonna continue to box here, work out today, bare knuckles. I'm gonna show you some stuff, come in swinging on it too, right? Like boxing. Also teach you what I learned as going into the super arts with the Jude and snaring them in, and now they got to walk through too. It's called a shredding. It's not all just tough talk and belts. Aside from looking from the pros, you're in the whited out big leagues too. And we're contender, there's 100 racked up, and you're going into the magic ninja sound. It's not all jokes, it's taken light. Real stuff, that's why they're getting crushed out. Think of it as a king that sees himself as another god under the big old lion there, the green-eyed lion, and taking it. Now their masters are butthurt, like many other men that have done it by the mic there too, but black, this is whited out. You know, and it's what GB, real weight in, and they thought they were hating. Look whose side it ended up on. For TY there. Let's see you guys catch up, right? That's what I'm talking about. You tough talking, pulled an Obi on the old boy. Next thing you know, Obi's getting bombed out. When the ghetto chaos thing, same thing hit. Taking a light, look at Obi now, right? Shaming and blaming too, trying to play victims. That's what I'm saying. They're always trying to blame an artist same way. You don't even know who you're talking about, you know? It's real, that's the first thing. And you're taking it like you're high and mighty there, but can't back up what you said, and the tapes are adding up here, and it's been a decade of hits too, of the greatest hits, and people know too. It's real hood. It's there, that's why the blaster, we take you to the blaster. The big things are true. So anyways, we get in there, come in, punch it, right? The bag's getting beat up too, man. So we'll do a little moving around, it's coming in, do some fighting, right? Get warmed up first, right? Come in, coming in, right? Dropping in. Been working out too for a couple hours, making them feel that weight. You know, it's heavy. And you're gonna learn what weight is. When you're belittling something, that's not working either. And it happens anyways, that's the funny thing. When you're sitting in a fault, you're going to learn what a red line is, and then pushing something, hitting the blaster, then complaining about it, crying wolf like you're the victim. How would you handle war? And everything's in the shredders there. That's why you're going to see too, when you cross through, you all suffer too, and the Jews taking it. Real ninja shit, right? So coming in, bang, bang, throw a few combos, right? Boom, come in, boom. Here's a few hooks here. Jumpstart old Willie, jumpstart old Willie. Because talking about it doesn't prove it. Anyone can say anything. Just look at Bop on that, right? You know? And you're trying to be disbelief over disbelief. The truth is, rather than just saying it from your view, yes, it's not your job. You know? When you get scared in the mountain, you're looking for a reason. You're looking for all these reasons to kick your men out. Not satisfied, and you get a real reason to bitch about. No? And it's the one with the diaper issue, that starting shit. There's always a hater. They'll be belittling themselves, holding in, doing it the right way, tugging away with their masters as a heavyweight. You know, what did you think it was? You know? You're not that much better either. The guy sounded robotic, that's why the machine was asked out. Well, we're adding effects, we sound cool. Think of it like his old shorts there and Bach, but it's too big there, same thing, and too small. Yeah, you're walking on eggshells here. You know, aside from the pride there, as a super whore, you're walking on eggshells, you know. Get a little breather in there. Okay, it's warmed up now. Get some speed going, right? Get the speed going, right? So, pay for false claims and thinking you can control something like a gun. Watch this, get into some headbutts, eh? Get on the side there too. It can be done, that's the thing. You know, even cracked in there, now they're feeling the weight. You just don't say it too. A lot of people are doing the same thing and shaming and blaming this. Think they're controlling something, but where are they? We're cloud nine. You're looking in the wrong place and field, and we took her. You don't get her overnight. Let's see you get what you have. Do it overnight then if you can. That's where you failed. Think they can take the weight? Stop. Doubting someone's sacrifice even, right? Because they're jealous. Simply. Catch them in a little mating thing, they're losing the back. So now, of course, they're butter, teaching them, wake up out of the fault zone and focus on hubris issue. We're going to be getting to you too. When you think it's all you, it can be turned around too. It's not us complaining about the menu too in the scales, that's why. It's not like your bro that went out there, blah, blah, blah. We're in solid from the guys too. Squeeze back, see how powerful that is on people that are whack. Right? Way above them, that's why. And they say you can't do this and that. Watch the tough guys got through that, also taking and bopping them out. Not just tough talk, double burn. Agreement's good. You see that down the cookie jar. No man, just like it was a cookie jar rocking them up, right? They don't stop the flow. Now there's, that's what I'm saying, it's down on one of the alleys saying, oh yeah, you think you know it all? I'm in the bootleg alley, yeah, fuck you. And go to the real dogs, pal. Everyone's trying to play doctor, you can look that up online. Common shit, man, it's not that rare looking around. So you take it with the stare, you'll see these guys are locked in some kind of fault or a dominance issue. They're wrong, they're knocked off. Not even as big as bang! Right? That's what I'm saying, man.